So depending on your research, you might decide to submit a conference proposal by yourself, or you might decide or be invited to participate as part of a panel of speakers at the conference. Either way, you're likely going to have to submit a proposal, which is a short document that summarizes your research, your findings, your methods, or just the perspectives that you'll plan on discussing at the conference. So in order to do that, you want your proposal to be clear enough that the conference committee can quickly read it, understand its relevance to the field, and see that it's worthy of including in the conference program. So when you're writing conference proposals, clarity is one of the most important qualities. Your presentation will likely cover just a portion of the research that you've done so far. So actually, conference presentations can be a terrific intermediary step as you work towards a larger research project like a dissertation or a thesis. So when you're writing your proposals, be sure that it has a clearly stated argument or purpose, that the content of your presentation is well aligned with the field and with the conference, and that you're following all the directions on the online submission form, because each conference will likely ask for something slightly different on their forms. Most conferences usually have a unifying theme, so if you can tie your proposal to the theme of the conference without distorting your original message in a big way, that might help your submission stand out. So you might want to try something like adding a catchy title to your presentation, or maybe a reference to how some of your research methods are an illustration of the conference theme. So once you've submitted your proposal, a conference committee goes through and they review all of the submissions, and then they'll notify the presenters that they've either been accepted, rejected, or sometimes waitlisted. The important thing to remember is that a rejection does not mean that your proposal is bad. It might mean that other proposals were just better suited to the conference theme that year, or that maybe your proposal might be a really good fit for another conference. So either way, be sure to talk to your professor, advisor, PI, academic department chair, or anyone else that you work closely with to see if there are other presentations that maybe you should consider submitting for.